Okay, let me simplify the left side first by getting a common denominator. X squared minus 4, then it's going to be x squared minus 9, and that's going to be x squared minus 16. And then what do you get? You get x plus 2, x plus 3. Yes, I know I'm jamming this in there. You know what? I'm jamming it in too much. Let me just get rid of that. Start again. And let's write this down again. I'll try to be a little bit neater. X squared minus 4 over x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 16 over x equals x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. Well, what I noticed right from the get-go is I get a bunch of things to factor. And I get x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 4, x minus 4. And I'm going to multiply both sides by x cubed. And when you get x cubed, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. Okay, so immediately what I notice is that, just looking at this, x plus 3 is there, x plus 2 is there, and x plus, whoops, I made a mistake there, and x plus 4 is there. So I know there's 3 solutions already, and I'll write them down for you. And this way I can kind of reduce the complexity of the problem. So I know x equals minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4 produces a 0 on both sides. And that's good news because I get a much simpler equation now. And I get x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 equals x cubed. All right? Again, I know these are solutions. That's why I just got rid of them. All right, so let's what we do now. Just multiply it out. What do you get over here? I'll be very careful about it. This can be x squared. I'm going to do the first 2 factors, by the way. X squared minus 5x plus 6 times x minus 4. That equals x cubed. Oh boy, we got to do this now. You're going to get x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x minus 4x squared. Let's see, plus 20x, and then minus 24, and that equals x cubed. Well, what's nice, the x cubes disappear. Glad to see that. And then you get minus 9x squared plus 26x minus 24 equals 0. I like the coefficient on the square term to be a positive number, so I would multiply both sides by minus 1. And lo and behold, what do we get? What they said we were going to get. We were going to get 9x squared minus 26x plus 24 equals 0. Now again, I want to remind you, we have 3 solutions already. They're written right over here for you. I'm going to erase my work now. And yes, it took time and effort to get there. But, I saw something simple. And again, you may have saw something differently. The bottom line, you need to see something and then do that, all right? The next thing I would recommend you do, which is kind of difficult, is the quadratic form. And the reason I say that, this is not going to work with my fingers, but the coefficient on the square term is 9, on a linear term is minus 26, and the constant is 24. So what do you write down? X equals twice the b in the bottom, which is 18, and then the opposite b, which would be 26, plus or minus, a little more challenging for me. It's going to be 26 squared minus 4. The a is 9, and the c is 24. All right, kind of a nightmarish number, but I want to point out, I don't mind using calculators. And if you did a calculator on this thing over here, I'm pretty sure you get minus 188. All right, so let me write that down for you. You get x equals 26 plus or minus. Now, see, the minus 188, I'll just put down I, and then I get the 188 over 18. And, looking at the 188, 8 and 8, 16, 17. I'm going to do 2 first. So 188, 2, and that's going to give me what? 90. 94. Whoops. And that's 2 again, isn't it? You can get what, 47. So I think I've exhausted that. You get 26 plus or minus, well, square root of 4 is 2. So 2i root 47 over 18. And then I would reduce it by 2. What do you get? 13 plus or minus I. I'm dividing by 2, by the way. 47 over 9. Do we get that for a final answer? We do. How many answers are there? There's 4 answers. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then these 2 complex numbers over here. And that's it. Thank you.